I came here to CODDY for Photoshop courses. I have two simple reasons. First, I really want to create my own channel and I need a high-quality avatar. Second, I'm just searching for my own path for now. That is, I really love working on the computer, programming things. There are almost limitless possibilities there. You can create something in different styles, make a picture, create art, you can do it in 3D, or even do something like a scan. You can even dress up a little dog.
Photoshop is a special program for editing images. It's a very useful thing. Some people want to change the background, some want to add something to a photo. That's what they use Photoshop for. I want to have my own channel to teach some people how to make animations and pictures. I think it will be very useful for everyone.
The course on creating a game character in Photoshop is dedicated to studying this popular graphic editor. In the course, children will get acquainted with illustrating the concepts of color, light and shadow, start sketching, and also create their first character layout, which will become part of their first project. Children will develop creative thinking and begin to work professionally in this program.